This Chevrolet Silverado 1500 boasts a gas V8 6.2 liters/376 engine powering this automatic transmission. Sunroof, power, engine, 6.2 liters Ecotec 3 V8 with active fuel management, direct injection and variable valve timing, includes aluminum block construction, 420 horsepower, 313 kilowatts, at 5,600 revolutions per minute. 460 pounds-to-foot of torque, 624 Newton-meters, at 4,100 revolutions per minute. Transmission, 8-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow/haul mode. Includes cruise-grade braking and Powertrain grade braking, STD. This Chevrolet Silverado 1500 comes equipped with these options: tires, P285/45R22 SL110H all-terrain, black wall, seats, front full-feature leather appointed bucket, includes 12-way power driver and front passenger seat adjusters, including 4-way power lumbar control, 2-position driver memory, adjustable head restraints, DO7, floor console, storage pockets and K4C, wireless charging. STD, rear axle, 3.23 ratio, LTZ. Preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, LPO. Illuminated black bowtie emblem includes black illuminated front bowtie and black non-illuminated rear bowtie, LPO, 22, 55.9 cm, 6-spoke premium silver bright machine wheels. LPO wheels will come with 4 steel 22 wheels from the factory, with alignment specs set to 22. LPO wheel selected, jet black/medium ASH grade piping and stitching, perforated leather appointed seat trim, engine block heater, deep ocean blue metallic, audio system, Chevrolet MyLink radio with navigation and 8 diagonal color touchscreen, AM/FM stereo seek and scan and digital clock, includes Bluetooth streaming audio for music and select phones, USB ports, auxiliary jack, voice-activated technology for radio and phone, and shop with the ability to browse, select and install apps to your vehicle. Apps include the Weather Channel and more. STD. Stop by today. Treat yourself. Stop by Laird Wheaton, located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3, to make this car yours today.